this ain't love. We've got our backs to the wall, and we know that enough's enough before the last of us fall.
City streets overflow with hate. Can we please communicate? See the pain accumulate. Is it already too late? See the demons at my gate, but I won't participate. No, I won't participate. Struggling to take away. Born the enemy of state, forcing families to break. Caught in one-sided debate, always one-sided debate. Eat from wrong side of the plate. It's a cold ride in the shade. I on provided the stakes. I on provided the stakes.
And we know that this ain't love. We've got our backs to the wall, and we know that enough's enough before the last of us fall. And we know that this ain't love. We've got our backs to the wall, and we know that enough's enough before the last of us fall. This ain't love. We've got our backs to the wall, and we know that enough's enough before the last of us fall. And we know that this ain't love. We've got our backs to the wall, and we know that enough's enough before the last of us fall.
Overflow with lies, everybody's taking sides. What are you to getting high with the fear of crossing lines? Up the T's and cross the I's, dumb it down and blur the lines. Push us further from the signs, that's how they conquer and divide. Decrease the value of our pride, worship Jordan, build a shrine. Craving anything that shines, with the most valuable is time. Build the fear and fake the crime, filled with tears and pray for lines. Build the fear and fake the crime, renouncing any love we find.
And we know that this